Your girl is finally back in New York.
Life has been a whirlwind lately. I'm hoping we can slow it down. Let's take a little moment, baby. 'Cause I just wanna say it out loud.
One revelation I had on this Europe trip.
I wanna look you in the eye.
오 마이 갓. 한번 먹고 싶다. 여기 올리자.
Good morning, friends. Welcome back to another vlog. Your girl is finally back in New York, and as much as I miss Europe, it's nice to be back. I thrive on routine, so this week has been nice, just getting back into my groove. I can't say it was nice going back to work, but But yeah, anyways, today is quite busy. My apartment is a mess, so I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning, and then the goal is to hit the gym. And later on today, I'm gonna be meeting up with Ashley. We're gonna catch up a little bit and do some work. And yeah.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanting with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but there's something to us. So golden, no gorgeous. Oh, you got to take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close to me.
Today is 50 degrees. Can you believe, like last week it was snowing. Head to toe, I'm wearing uniform person. Jacket is fabric. And then my bag. And then my bag is also fabric. We're working today, so brought my laptop. Let's go. Oh, okay. We just made it to dinner. I've never been here before, but it's so cute. I'm excited to eat. I'm starving. This reminds me of Japan. Thank you for finding this place. It's delicious. You know how like in Japan you could eat this for breakfast? Just starting the day with like this type of breakfast, like I'll just have so much energy and just like be a happier person. Dude, I was such a weak sauce in Paris. I had like one glass of wine and I'd be like lit.
Oh really? That's me all the time.
Cheers.
Oh, yummy.
So good, right?
It just tastes like juice.
It tastes like candy.
It's like candy. Dangerous. I'm gonna take a quick break from work and show you guys everything I bought in Europe. The girl did a little bit of damage. I might as well show you guys and do a little haul. Let's start with Paris. I bought a few fun things from Paris. First purchase is this Balmain jacket that I picked up from an outlet. The price was insanely cheap, and I think this is from the 90s. But how cute. I also bought this really cute Sandro dress. Wait, Sandro is significantly cheaper in Paris. I bought this Juicy Couture vintage sweater. I mean, Juicy Couture is not a French brand, but when I saw this, I was like, she is so cute, and it was so cheap. I bought this bucket hat for my baby nephew from this French brand called Jacquardi. It's like chic, elevated baby clothes. But how cute is this bucket hat? I've been wearing the Dior Addict perfume in the pink bottle. Then I found out that they discontinued the perfume that I wear and it came up with like 3 different Dior Addict lines and they do not smell as good as the original one. So switching over to the Chanel one. I think this is like their newest scent from this line. Oh, it smells so good. It smells very similar to my Dior one. Oh, and some Sabre pieces. Bought some forks. Honestly, I need to stop with the utensils. No more. This is like more like pink red. But this was probably my biggest purchase in Europe. But I got myself Yves Saint Laurent. I'm really proud of this purchase because Lord knows I needed a new pair of loafers. I heard amazing reviews about this. And then I saw one of my favorite influencers, Jihoon, and I feel like she like has so many designer clothes and shoes. And she said that this was one of her best purchases of 2026. And I was like, I'm sold. I don't think I ever need another pair of loafers anytime soon. Like forever. If I wear this for the next like 10 years, that means I only paid. But I think that's pretty much it from Paris. I got these hay cups. Ta-da. Sturdy too. It's like thick and light. $11 for 4 of these. I would say that that's a steal. In America, they'll be selling one of these cups for $11. I got these matching cups. One in brown, one in white. I love the handle. And it's the perfect size. I also needed some measuring spoons in stainless steel. So I bought these from Hay. Oh my God. Okay, so in Copenhagen, everybody puts their boiled egg on top of an egg holder. And I think it's just like the cutest thing and that's like my next obsession. I bought 2 of these little chrome egg holders. I eat a lot of eggs, so it's nice to eat them in style. How cute. Bought another pair. I love the black rims. Probably one of my favorite purchases. I bought the chicest mug ever. The cup holder. Okay, I'm done with cups though after this, like no more. Oh, I also bought some earrings from Lay Studio. How cute are these earrings? Dainty and so chic. That's all. Hope you enjoyed and I need to get back to work.
Life cycle program that I'm working on. I started the brief last week, but I know Diana, you and I talked about how I'm just gonna write the. Yeah.
Good morning. Happy Friday. Chris is finally back from his work trip, so I'm gonna be making us breakfast. I'm inspired by my recent trip to Copenhagen, so I'm gonna be making a little bit of a Danish breakfast situation. Should be easy. Actually, I've been drinking a lot of coffee this week and noticed that my stomach truly just gets more irritated versus when I drink matcha. I'm so sad about it because like going to Europe made me fall in love with coffee again. I feel like I eat whatever I want in Europe and my stomach is fine. It's when I come back to the States. Also, how cute is this cup? Chris was crapping on it. He said it was ugly. I disagree. Good thing he doesn't know the price of this cup. I passed by a 7-Eleven a few weeks ago and ever since I was craving taquitos. Then lo and behold, one of the YouTubers that I watch, her name is Natasha and she just has the best recipes. She made chicken taquitos and it looked really easy, so I'm gonna attempt this. Okay, I'm gonna put all the chicken inside this bowl. Put some Mexican shredded cheese. Put about this much cream cheese. Okay. This smells so good. Actually, I'm gonna put the rest of the chicken in. Ta-da! Now I'm gonna cut up some romaine lettuce for just garnish. Spread it around. I wish it was crispier. But the salsa verde sauce from Taco Bell is really good.
Whoa.
Is it good? Wait, but this is really good. I just wish it was like even crispier, no?
Next time, try air frying it.
I just got ready to hit the gym. I'm gonna go for a nice run today. I don't know if it's gonna be nice, but I'm gonna try running for at least 30 minutes. And if my condition is okay, I'm gonna try to push for 45, but I'm not gonna like kill myself over it. I'm ready. It is date night. Because this guy is finally home. I feel like it's been a while since we did date night. We're on the way to a restaurant called Sweeties. I've been meaning to check out this place. The owner is not here, but she is a mommy blogger that I've met in person and I wanted to support. Oh, I'm so sore. Oh my god. It hurts to sit. I love the pocha style seating too.
I love their posters.
It's very like Korean, like vintage. Yeah. Makes me want to drink a soju, you know? No. Chris and I were saying that this space is so nice and big. It's a pretty dope spot to pregame because they also have a lot of soju in the fridge. me put the sweet aioli sauce. So good. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the tteokbokki now. Yeah. Wait, the tteokbokki is fire. I approve. It is really good, yeah. It's like perfect level of spice.
Chicken wasn't. It's fried very well, I think. It falls off the bone.
Okay, this is the soy garlic chicken. Delicious. Honestly, I don't even need the sauce. This is hitting really good after my run.
Protein.
It's wild up in here. How long do you think we waited for? 15 minutes? Dude, it's crazy in there. We got the coconut mango boom.
30%.
Yummy. Babe, shall we walk to the car? We didn't park in a good spot.